You're looking at a 2020 Subaru Forester Sport all-wheel drive. This is a local trade-in. It is a 3-owner Montana vehicle. The history report shows prior maintenance on the Subaru. Also, there are no accidents reported on the history report. The tires are in good shape and are all-terrain style, but it still rides smooth and quiet. You will love how this Forester handles and drives. It's powered by a 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder engine paired with a CVT transmission. This vehicle ensures a smooth and efficient driving experience. The exterior, finished in dark blue pearl, features a sleek design with body-colored bumpers, door handles, and a black grille and 18-inch black finish aluminum alloy wheels. Safety is paramount in the Forester Sport, equipped with EyeSight Driver Assist Technology, including pre-collision braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. It also features dual-stage front airbags, side curtain airbags, and a driver knee airbag, ensuring comprehensive protection. The backup camera with washer and rear child safety locks add additional layers of safety for passengers. Inside, the Forester offers a comfortable and tech-savvy environment. The gray sport cloth upholstery with orange stitching provides a stylish contrast. The 10-way power adjustable driver's seat and heated front seats enhance comfort on long drives. The Subaru Starlink Multimedia Plus system includes a 6.5-inch high-resolution touchscreen, Bluetooth audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Convenience features abound with power windows, door locks, and a panoramic sunroof. The interior is designed with practicality in mind, featuring ample cargo space with a roll-up cover, concealed storage, and a cargo tray organizer. The vehicle also includes 3 12-volt DC power outlets, a digital/analog display, and adaptive air conditioning with underseat and console ducts. Mechanically, the Forester Sport is equipped with full-time all-wheel drive, electric power-assisted steering, and a 16.6-gallon fuel tank, offering a commendable fuel efficiency of 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. The vehicle's towing capacity is supported by trailer sway control, making it suitable for light towing needs. This Subaru has additional options like all-weather floor liners, rear seat back protector, and auto-dimming mirrors. It's a well-rounded choice for those seeking a reliable, safe, and well-equipped SUV. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana